Hey everyone, welcome home to Safe Haven. It's Britonny. So we are in Ocho Rios. I came home for the holidays, but there's something super exciting, where there's somewhere super exciting that I want to take you guys. So I'm from Ocho Rios. I grew up in the town, saw everything how it was, and there are some places that were a bit run down for many years, and one of those places was the Ocho Rios Courthouse. Now, as you know, St. Anne's Bay is the capital of St. Anne, so the courthouse, the main courthouse, is now in St. Anne's Bay. So there was a courthouse in Ochi. It was like run down, grass growing everywhere, lots of debris, very scary and creepy. But they have completely renovated the courthouse and they have turned it into something really beautiful, and that's what I am taking you guys to see. So this is space for parking. Yes, and here is the art gallery, which is the first section. So let's go. So they have lots of local crafts by Jamaican artists and craftsmen on sale here. Very nice. Now, upon speaking with the operators of this new Courthouse Gallery and Cafe, we learned that it was leased to them. So it was leased to them by Howell Banker, by the UDC, something along that line, and they just had a vision to just transform it into this cafe and gallery and craft shop. So we're gonna go upstairs and I'll show you everything to offer upstairs as well, but really good vision that they had for this place. I really was blown away with the transformation. Guys, this used to be a place where ladies of the night would stand and work, if you know what I mean. So to see it transformed, it really means a lot to me, a local. So let's go upstairs to the cafe now and have some lunch.
Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel a chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. So no one else tell me what to do. That's why I'm mine. Spend my life with you. I wanna please you in any way I can. I wanna share my world. Don't you understand? Love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give all day long. Your love is a one in a million.
So let's go over to the cafe area, which is right over here. Here on the menu today they have lemonade, teas, coffee, salads, paninis, pastries, etc. It's a vibe. It's really a vibe. I love the lighting, the high ceilings, everything, and this fan. So let's order something to eat. Alright guys, so here is the detailed menu of the courthouse. So what are we thinking of, OJ?
Probably a salad.
Salad.
Definitely a salad.
There's so many.
I want to try the pastries though. Definitely want to try the pastries.
Plantain tart. We'll see.
Well, I definitely need something for lunch.
Yeah. So you guys, I'm thinking about a salad. There's vegan ice cream. So, and there's way more around the back too. There's wines and drinks. So maybe we'll try something vegan. Who knows? Let's see. Yeah, I want to try something vegan and then something traditional. What do you think you're getting?
I definitely get to know wine because I see wine on it.
So yeah, in line with your typical cafe in Jamaica prices. That's really, really good. So we just need to decide now what we're going to get.
Tuna panini with the pickled beets. You have that one? Alright, and I think I'm gonna get the hummingbird cake too. And a glass of wine.
Alright, this one is yours. You know that I'm alone, so I have to do them one by one because I'm the only one working.
That's fine.
So,
I'm working in the hospital industry, right? I definitely understand.
so here you go.
It's nice.
I'm salty out, my friend. So we're gonna eat now, guys, and I'll give you a review of the food. The sun's beaming on me on this side.
Salad is nice.
The salad is nice.
Yeah, very zesty.
Okay.
I don't know if it's a nuts too. It has cranberry and all that fat. And also spinach, onions, and everything seems very, very fresh.
And this is coming from our chef, you guys.
Everything is fresh. So I really love it.
Salad. And this is coming from a salad expert. I like the cranberries, the nice touch with the cranberries, the vinaigrette or whatever they use. It's nice too. Alright, so the side salad gets a pass. So this is what the inside of the panini looks like. Ooh. Cheese is hot and melty.
It have a vibe.
This prosecco is super strong. It's super strong. Okay. How's the prosecco?
Take time. Definitely take time.
But everything was delicious though. I promised that I would try something vegan, but right now I'm actually really full. So yeah, the panini and the side salad that comes with the panini, was actually really enough to fill me up. But I said I would try something vegan, so we're going to try something vegan. Okay, so here is the vegan ice cream, and I'm about to try it. I'll give you my review. I took the coconut flavor. Oh, thank you. I see. Vegan ice cream. Tastes like regular ice cream. Yeah, it tastes exactly like regular ice cream. You wouldn't know the difference. It's actually really good. It's really good. It tastes like cookie and cream ice cream, even though it's coconut. This tastes like cookie and cream ice cream without the cookie. So, yeah, really good, really good. Our bill, guys, and we will have to go downstairs and pay our bill. So that's what we're going to do now. So upon speaking with the operators, you know, they were telling me that the place is a work in progress, and this little building that you're seeing adjacent to the courthouse was actually the jailhouse. So they want to put up like a little plaque and, you know, other things to give some more information about the place, but work in progress. So we just left the courthouse. It was a really good experience. Let me take off the mask.
Yeah, it was really relaxing. Definitely relaxing.
And we're glad to see the renovations and improvements in Ocho Rios.
Definitely.
So kudos, we spoke with the persons who were like managing it, and I guess the part owners or so on, and the owner's son. So it was really, really, really good. They have a good vision going for the place, and we love what's going on.
The vibe is very nice, definitely. Definitely nice.
So until my next video, guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so that you know when I upload a video first. Alright guys, bye.